Welcome to our Unit 5 Castle Review game. In this game, you at home are going to open up a PDF, and this video is going to explain the results of some of the questions. So if you want to work ahead or pause this as you work on it, feel free. Remember, we are studying the rise over the run and the B, where the line crosses the y-intercept. Remember, we count up and over. The rise number is always on top. The run numbers on the bottom. For the y-intercept, for our B, we're looking at where the graph crosses the begin line, that up and down line on the y-axis. Good luck and
Welcome
have
to
fun.
the Unit 5 BCastle review video. We will be reviewing key concepts related to linear equations and graphing. First, let's determine the slope of this line. Since the line rises from left to right, the slope is positive. For our second problem, let's determine the slope of this line. Since the line falls from left to right, the slope is negative. Now let's find the exact slope, m, for this line. By counting the rise over run between the 2 points, we find the slope is 3/2. In this problem, the line falls from left to right, so we know the slope is negative. The rise over run gives us a slope of -2/4. Next, let's find the y-intercept, b. Remember, this is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Here, the y-intercept is -1. For problem 6, we need to find both the slope, m, and the y-intercept, b. The slope is 2/5, and the y-intercept is 2. In problem 7, the slope is -4/3, and the line crosses the y-axis at -2, so the y-intercept is -2. For problem 8, we will graph a line using the given slope and y-intercept. The slope is -1/3, and the y-intercept is 8. Problem 9 requires us to graph a line with a slope of 3/5 and a y-intercept of -2. For problem 10, we need to write the linear equation from the graph, using the formula y equals mx plus b. The equation is y equals 4/5 x plus 2. In problem 11, the line has a negative slope. The resulting linear equation is y equals -7/4 x plus 1. For problem 12, the slope is 1 and the y-intercept is -3. The linear equation is y equals 1x minus 3. Now, let's write an equation for this story problem. The equation is y equals 6x plus 14. The bonus answer is 44 balloons after 5 hours. For the final problem, the equation is y equals 0.25x plus 75. The bonus answer for the total cost to drive 100 miles is $325.
Hope you enjoyed the Castle review, and if you did not practice along, please go back and practice on the PDF. Have a good day.